Let's talk about Sump pumps, baby.
We're gonna pump
You up.
you up.
Yeah, Hans and Franz.
Which one do you want to be?
That was terrible, wasn't it? That was bad.
I'll
You
be
nailed
Hans. You could be Franz. So Sump pumps. We've got the rainy season is upon us. We are fully into spring. I think we could cross the snow off for the rest of this. I think we've transitioned, if you will, in seasons, and we're now heading into the rainy season. And holy smokes, do we get some rain since you've been in. You want to talk more about that and how our listeners can protect themselves?
I do, yeah. So spring weather, we've been seeing some of that rain. There's more coming, and obviously in springtime, a lot of people are talking about putting their yards together and
Yep.
and handling their checklists inside and out. And one thing people don't check is their sump pump, and it's really the most critical part of the waterproofing system in people's basements. We refer to it as the heart of your waterproofing system, your sump pump. And so, especially during the winter, most sump pumps don't work very much. It's cold, dry, things are frozen. And as things start raining, that's when you find out whether your pump still works or not.
Is this a safe thing to say? If our listeners had water challenges in their basement prior to the winter, that now that we're having more snow, that it's not going to magically disappear between seasons?
Yeah, you can rest assured if you've had a problem before, it will come back if you don't take care of it. And the thing with sump pumps is you don't know when that's going to be a problem for you. So they're mechanical things. They have a life. There's a lot of people that make reliable pumps, but still you don't know when and how long how long they're going to last and when they're going to fail. But they all do fail.
Right. What percentage? That was one of my favorite things when Joe was in here with your father. What percentage of pumps fail, and Joe would go into his Roy Spencer? 100%.
100%.
100%.
I don't have a good voice for that, but yeah, 100% of them do fail.
So the average lifestyle, the average life span.
They live a lavish life.
They're crazy.
They're down in a wet hole all day long, just soaking water up.
Okay, well, Mike's went south on that one.
No, it's a sump pump hole. Come on.
Yeah, I understand. I would have gone another direction.
You
went
the wrong
right
way.
down the rabbit hole there. Okay, so not the lifestyle of a sump pump. Thanks, Mike, for bringing that to vivid description. Lifespan of a sump pump. Typically, how long?
I would say a primary pump. We say about 5 years on average.
Really?
So they can die in under a year. We've seen them last 10 or 12 years. You don't really know for sure. There's a lot of factors, but I would say that's a good average.
And how would a typical homeowner, right, that doesn't know much about anything mechanical, except turn on their heating and air conditioner and lock their doors, guilty, right, in that pool.
Like your David Hochberg type.
Everybody in the David Hochberg pool that doesn't know anything about mechanical that has to do with their home, how do they know if their pump is on the verge of needing to be replaced?
So the reality is you really don't know, and most people wouldn't. And almost nobody goes down and tests their sump pump. So you kind of rely on it rains, and most people hear it running, and that's how they know it's working. You might hear a funny noise. You might hear something that might suggest it's going bad, but usually you don't. It usually just stops working at some point.
You have the annual maintenance program at Perma-Seal. Can you explain that real quick before we hit the break?
Definitely. So we have an annual maintenance where we'll come out once a year and we'll check everything in your environment inside and outside the home, including the sump pumps. And so that's a program we have. And then also we want to talk about backup pumps and our device called the Basement Defender, which actually, instead of once a year, tests and makes sure your pumps are okay every single day.